Hello everyone. In this example, you will open the C06 STAAD Connect example 5 start file. Next, you will define the wind loads for a space frame structure as per ASC 7 2002 code. To do so, first start your software. After opening the software, the interface will look like this. Now, choose Open Other Models from the Open area and browse to the Start folder and select the C06 STAAD Connect EX5 start file and double click to open the file. The model is displayed in the main window. Now choose the loading tab. The load and definition window is displayed. Expand the definitions and select the wind definition subnode. Next, choose the add button. The add new wind definitions dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, select the ASCE 7 2016 code from the code drop-down and then choose the add button and close the dialog box. The type 1 wind 1 node is added under the wind definition subnode. Next, select the type 1 wind 1 node and choose the add button. The add new wind definitions dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, choose the generate option. The ASCE 7 wind load dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, select the main building data. The main building data page is displayed. Retain the pre-generated values. Choose the apply and OK button. The intensity versus height data is added to the intensity page of the add new wind definitions dialog box. Choose the add button. In the exposures page, specify the value of 0.75 in the factor edit box and choose the add button. Again, specify the factor value of 0.8. Choose the add button and close the window. Now assign the exposure 0.75 using use cursor to assign method to the nodes 1, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 14. Select the nodes and choose the assign button to assign the exposure. Again, select the exposure 0.8 and select the use cursor to assign method. Choose the assign button and assign to the nodes 17, 20 and 22. Next, choose the load cases details node and select the add button. The add new load cases dialog box is displayed. In the title edit box, specify WL plus X. In the loading type drop down, select the wind load, choose the add button and close the dialog box. Select the WL plus X load case and choose the add button. The add new load items dialog box is displayed. Select the wind load option. The wind load page is displayed. In this page, ensure that one regular is selected in the select type drop down list and X windward face radio button is selected in the export surface and direction area. Specify 1.1 in the factor edit box. Choose the add button and close the dialog box. The wind load is added under the WL plus X load case. In the load and definition window, select the wind load. The wind load is applied as joint load on the left wall of the structure as shown. Now choose the save as option from the file menu. The save as page is displayed. Now specify the file name as C06 STAAD Connect EX5 and browse to location C06 STAAD Connect folder. Choose the save button. Your file is saved at the appropriate location. Thank you for watching.